And we're gonna start here with our Derrickson bedroom collection. This is from Ashley. This is a great collection because it has a ton of storage.
Tons of it.
So this is great for a kid's bedroom. So here we have some little books in here, which is great to store in. You got your little stuffed animals, which is really fun too. But
you could also use it as a guest bed, you know, in your guest room. It has storage back here also. You could store things like extra linens, extra pillows, things for your guests.
so these would also be really great in a kid's area. I mean, even like a little playroom or something like that. And these cubes are from Ashley, and this one has 3, and then the one down here has 8. So these are great to go vertical as we're showing here, or horizontal, what we're showing on the bottom. We thank you for joining us today, and you can find everything in this space and more at afw.com. Bye.